Here we're at the middle of August, and what I'm going to do, I pulled the tape off of all these grafts, all these unions here. We're going to seal them with some pruning sealer. This will keep moisture out and it'll help keep it disease free. So all this exposed wood gets covered. You can see the height of this. You know, I can barely reach the top of the grass. And the deer don't seem to have any trouble reaching up here. The graft unions look really good. Just the bare wood needs covered. Those are all coated. Let's go and check the other trees. This one looks extremely good. This just broke off today. Right there you can see the callus. I should have put a nail through that into the trunk. That would have helped support it. And right here is where it came off. Hopefully these others will stay. This one was a cleft graft. This one was the bark graft. Real strong unions. Right here, union's real good. You could see the bare wood in the crack from the knife when I did the grafting. See, this is all bonded in through here and down the back side. This side still open, and the top is exposed. So we're going to coat that. This could help keep it from rotting also. Keep the wood healthy in there. Got a good bit of rain today, so that's probably why the wind is up. Now here you can see on some of these the knife wound on the cyan wood, and that was covered when it was taped. But now that it's exposed, the wood should be covered with this pruning sealer. And I'm working the bristles inside the wound of the rootstock. This is the one that was devastated by the deer, and it is coming back. These I'll leave. If the deer want to do munching, they can munch on the leaves that aren't part of the graft. Now you can see the height here. I can't even get here to look down on it. I don't want to remove that tape. Maybe the new strategy for something like this is don't take any of these sprouts off. and that will give the deer some other target area and not just the sprouts coming off of the cyanwood. It looks to me like this may survive, and it may be a pretty healthy tree, even though it looked like it was hopeless the last time I shot the video. Okay, this is the one that I used the toilet bowl wax on, and it's holding up real well. This one here, when it was removed, it exposed the bark, and if you look close right here, this is the callus from one that was broken off, and don't know what broke it, but I would suspect the deer. The spare wood I'm coating to try to keep rot out of the wood. This damage here is mechanical damage from the work crew that was working on my barn. They run into these trees with their equipment. That should heal it. This pruning sealer, I really like this one. Seems to work real well. I'll put a link with the description of this particular one. This one is coated well. I'm going to touch a couple up. But you can see here, that one did not take. Something knocked the bark off. This one here that was broken, it has a lot of callus. And this, new shoots are coming from the callus and not the trunk. So I'm going to protect this piece here. This can help keep disease and insects out of the wood. Got maybe one more month of growing. This is middle of August, and September sometime we should have our first frost. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.